Praise is what I do when I wanna be close to you. I lift my hands in praise. Praise is who I am. I will praise him while I can. I'll bless him at all times. And I vow to praise you through the good and the bad. I'll praise you whether happy or sad. I'll praise you in all that I go through, because praise is what I do. And I owe it all to you. Can we all just say this to our King? Vertical worship praise. Praise it when I want to be close.